Vanilla. The word itself conjures up warmth and comfort. It's a flavor we associate with sweetness, indulgence, and pure sensory pleasure. But not all vanilla is created equal. Among the many varieties, Madagascar Vanilla stands apart. It's prized by chefs and home cooks alike for its complex flavor profile and intoxicating aroma. But what exactly sets it apart? Why is Madagascar Vanilla considered the gold standard in the world of flavor? Let's delve into the enchanting world of Madagascar Vanilla and uncover its secrets. Madagascar Vanilla is celebrated for its rich, nuanced flavor. It's not just sweet, it's a symphony of taste sensations. You'll detect notes of caramel, a hint of chocolate, and a whisper of spice. This complexity comes from the unique terroir of Madagascar, the island nation where it's grown. The volcanic soil, the humid climate, and the traditional curing methods all contribute to the bean's exceptional flavor. This is why Madagascar Vanilla is often called bourbon vanilla, a nod to the island's former name. It's this depth of flavor that makes Madagascar Vanilla so versatile in the kitchen. The journey of Madagascar Vanilla begins with a delicate orchid flower. These orchids are hand-pollinated, a labor-intensive process that contributes to the vanilla's value. After the flowers are pollinated, they produce green seed pods, which are carefully harvested before they fully ripen. The beans then undergo a meticulous curing process. They are blanched, sun-dried, and then aged for months, developing their signature flavor and aroma. This traditional process, passed down through generations, is what gives Madagascar Vanilla its distinctive character. My earliest memories of vanilla are intertwined with my mother's kitchen. The scent of vanilla extract simmering on the stovetop meant one thing: something delicious was about to unfold. But it was a trip to Madagascar, years later, that truly ignited my passion for this extraordinary spice. I witnessed firsthand the care and dedication that goes into producing Madagascar Vanilla. From the farmers tending to their orchid vines to the artisans expertly curing the beans, it was an experience that stayed with me. Since then, Madagascar Vanilla has held a special place in my heart and my kitchen. Madagascar Vanilla is incredibly versatile. Its flavor shines in both sweet and savory dishes. Use a vanilla bean to infuse a simple custard with an unforgettable aroma. Scrape the seeds into your morning coffee or sprinkle them over fresh fruit for an elegant touch. Don't discard the pod after scraping out the seeds. Rinse and dry it, then use it to infuse sugar for baking or steep it in milk or cream for an extra layer of flavor. Experiment with Madagascar Vanilla in unexpected ways. Add it to marinades for grilled meats or infuse it into homemade liqueurs. Madagascar Vanilla is more than just an ingredient, it's an experience. It's a reminder that the simplest things in life, when treated with care and attention, can bring us the most profound pleasure. So, embrace the magic of Madagascar Vanilla. Let its intoxicating aroma fill your kitchen, and its exquisite flavor transform your dishes into culinary masterpieces. You won't be disappointed.